Farmont GXL, and that piece is done. You can see how I've had to do this. There was a weld there, you can't even see it. You can see that one pretty clearly, that one. Little plug weld here. This was pre-made, so I welded this up in 2 bits. So you can see the angle right while I'm trying to do this. Okay, yeah. So that piece, so fold, fold, cut, cut, cut. Yeah, that's how. And yeah, of course we're. You see it, edge primed and black inside. Still got to do the outer, of course. The outer actually has 2 spot welds in here and here. I don't know how the hell they did that. I might have to make like an angle return coming back up, leave a space to weld. I don't know. That's probably how I have to do it. But it is nevertheless, it's spot welded here. There. But it's looking good. So this is Leslie's old hairdryer. I repurposed it for a paint drying device, so I can just quickly dry stuff and then chuck primer on top. And I've been using this for years. Gosh, probably 10 years, and it still goes hard. Remington. You don't have to watch the whole video. It's like watching paint dry. Oh, that's just a little spot of weld there. That's how they sort of did it. They did it in brass.